Do you have a beauty business? Do you do removals? Do you charge for those removals? How much are you charging? €5? I don't think that's enough. I think you need to charge more. I'm Sarah Naylor and I'm going to help you nail it in the hair and beauty industry. Yesterday I removed my daughter's lashes. It took me approximately 40 minutes to do it safely and effectively without damaging her natural lashes. I've also had to remove nails. This all needs to be done safely and effectively so that you don't damage the natural nail or the natural lash. So in order to do it, it's going to take you time. So if you're doing it for €5, you're not getting paid for your time. I recommend that when you're doing removals, you need to allocate the appropriate amount of time, plus you need to charge effectively, because if you're only charging €5, you're not making any money. You're basically doing the service for free. I know we do it thinking that we're going to get more business out of the people, but more times than not, we're not. If they're coming for a removal instead of a refill, it means they don't like the product. So charge for your time. I definitely would be charging at least €15-20 for a removal of a product if they're not getting lashes back on the same day, or if they're not getting nails back on the same day, because more than likely they're not going to come back and be your customer. So charge effectively for your time. Also, with your removals, you need to do it in the way that you don't damage the natural nail or the natural lash. So you need to use proper products. So acetone will remove shellac, polish, acrylic extensions and gel extensions. You need to get a lash remover that will break down the glue, and you need to put it on and leave it on the lashes for about 5 to 10 minutes before you start going in and starting to remove one by one those lashes. Don't take them in big clumps. Take the tweezers, pull it out a little bit, and then use a Q-tip and rub gently until the glue starts to dissolve, and then they should just wipe away. If you need more help or more tricks on how to do removal safely, get in touch and I'll do a video for you. I'm Sarah Naylor. I'm going to help you nail it in the hair and beauty industry. Want to know more? Hit the follow button.